The following video will contain a lot of delicious food, so you may not want to watch an empty stomach. Oh, hey everyone, Scott or the Scottman. We're here to do a Travel Delights video today. You thought I was going to get away with not doing any Travel Delights video. Guess again. But this is a special Travel Delights video. As you know, with all my different videos, I go to many great local restaurants to enjoy some great food. We're still going to enjoy some great food, but we're going to cook it this time. That's right. I'm here with the BVS Photo Video Retreat here in Bali, and we're going to be cooking up some delicious Balinese dishes, and of course at the end we're going to enjoy. So if I'm giving any critique, it's going to be a part of my own creation. Let's see how this goes. And we're here inside, and well, I'm not putting on a chef's cap. We get to wear some traditional Balinese attire here.
Some other ingredient that you might need to make it much more tastier.
Green traditional?
Yeah, this is green traditional.
Okay, so this is a green traditional drink. While we're enjoying our cooking, we're gonna enjoy this green traditional. Oh wow! Spectacular flavor to this. You can really taste the lime in this. So delightful.
Already?
Yes.
So we put the 3 ingredients right in the bowl. This is for the Sambal Matah. And then you put your salt. And then we sambal.
Flavor. It's really hard to figure.
I feel like an expert Balinese chef already.
Talking that code again?
Not really.
It's gonna be soon then.
But yeah, it just smells so delicious. You can smell the aroma coming of all the different ingredients being grilled up.
Like this?
This one here? Can we get them?
Yep. Hold up. Yes, sir. Yeah.
Scott, you wanna get in here?
Alright, Scott and Carlos. Have a look up here. Scott. Nice.
This is for Lawar. Dressing for Lawar.
Hey Scott, what do you think?
Here?
Yep.
Oh, it smells really nice, but I'm getting really hot right now.
So what was that like cooking your first Balinese dish?
I'm a total expert now. No, I'm not. but yeah, it's like with my Travel Delights videos, as I was saying at the beginning of the video, normally I go to different restaurants and I'm eating the dishes. Well, I'll be doing that at the end of the video, but this time I'm helping prepare the food this time instead of just eating it. So it's definitely a big twist in the Travel Delights. Alright, so next we're going to be cooking up some chicken satay, and I've had that in at least one, maybe even 2 of my Travel Delights videos, and I love chicken satay, so this will be really exciting to watch.
What are you making?
This is chicken satay.
Have you ever made it before?
I've never made it, but I've eaten it before, so I can't wait to eat this later. And we see here we have the chicken. And so if you've seen the Looney Tunes cartoons with Foghorn Leghorn, that's him right here.
All right, Scott. Put it on there.
There we go.
That was fast. Jeez. And here we are. We got the finished product. That chicken looks so good, and there's the chicken satay. Oh wow, it's like heaven on a plate.
Alright, so now we're getting to the best part of the video. And just like with every Travel Delights video, it's time to eat the food. This time, as I keep saying, this is going to be food which we all prepared ourselves. So again, this will be very unique. I'm curious what it's all going to taste like because it looks absolutely delicious. Alright, aren't you guys excited now? Alright, so here it is in all its glory.
In all its glory.
So now it's time for us to
You're awesome.
dig in and enjoy.
Oh, Greg, American.
Yep.
Yeah, Greg is
A little bit of the veggies first.
Sure is.
The stuff we crushed up is what I'm going to chicken.
Soy sauce.
Pretty crunchy, has a lot of great spices to it. Oh, hold on. It's making me cough a little bit. But
How is it, Scott?
yep, pretty good so far. I still have to dig into the chicken though, but gotta start with the veggies first. These are how veggies should be made. I love the spices in these. Alright, we gotta dig into the chicken satay, and oh, this looks juicy and delicious. But the big question is, will it taste juicy and delicious? Wish me luck.
How long does it take to get the chicken?
Oh. So this is so tender and so juicy, and it is so delicious. So my prediction was indeed correct. So much better than that chicken satay I had in Montreal last year. Now let's not forget the chicken itself. Made mine a little extra spicy, just the way I like it. So much flavor in this. Perfect amount of spice, juice. It's cooked perfectly well too. This is absolutely fantastic. When it comes to Balinese cuisine, you not only have to try it, but you also have to cook it to truly appreciate its wonder and flavor. Let's get everybody else's opinions too.
We got Dan and Teresa over here. They're enjoying their food. Well, I'm probably speaking a little too early. So how's the food?
As you can
It's
see by
empty
our
in like
plates.
3 seconds. I think it was pretty good.
Yeah.
Oh,
I'm on my second round. I'm on my second round, so.
They're eating faster than me right now because I still got all this to eat. And we have Wes and Nelly. How's the food?
Delicious.
Phenomenal. It's really good, especially the satay is like on point. It's really good.
Oh, I totally agree. And Carlos is digging into the dessert already.
Yeah,
Are you going so fast, buddy?
He's really fast.
I was hungry. I was working all morning in my food.
That's the spirit.
You want to see the dessert?
Oh yeah, look at
There
that.
you go.
Oh.
All right, dessert time. I'm gonna dig it myself. I made the dessert off camera, but that's all right. Oh, this looks fantastic.
Like a dumpling. It's like a sweet dumpling.
Oh, this is fantastic. Love the coconut around it, the strawberry. Makes it taste like a much better version of strawberry shortcake, and it also feels like the Play-Doh I ate when I was 5 years old.
So how was the food?
Excellent. Really great.
Yep, excellent.
Yeah.
That's exactly what I wanted to hear.
Oh, it's great.
Still great.
It's still great.
There you go.
Yummy.
And here is Greg, and wasn't for him, and also Brendan, who unfortunately could not be with us today. We would not be having this cooking class and awesome lunch today. So very special thanks to Greg and Brendan.
Thank you, Scottman. It was delicious.
Awesome. But yeah, really enjoyed my meal here.
Yeah, very cool cultural activity in Bali.
Exactly.
And there you have it. That is the Balinese cooking class, a very special Travel Delights video. We have not had a Travel Delights video like this one on my YouTube channel yet, and I'm so glad I had the opportunity to film this today. Because again, not only we enjoyed some delicious food, but we also got to cook it, so we got even more of an appreciation with the food. So I really hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, be sure to click that subscribe button to come along and join me for the adventure, and don't forget to click that notification bell so that way you know when a new video goes live. Well, thank you for watching this Travel Delights video here from Ubud, Bali, Indonesia, and this is Scott, or the Scottman, signing out.